Hi, Anika.
Hi, Bob.
How are you today?
Great. How are you?
Well, okay.
Did you have a good weekend?
It was okay. I hurt my back this past week, so I've been, trying to recover from that.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry to hear that. We have to find you a job to get you off that ladder, right?
Yes, we do.
Good. Yesterday, I was looking at, that app you like, Newsella, that we use on the iPad.
Yes.
And I was looking for some articles on jobs. I didn't see any that I thought you would really like, or any jobs that you would be interested in. So I thought today we could look at a website.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Great. Take a look. The website I found was called the California Distance Learning Project.
Oh, okay.
And they had a whole section on working. And I saw these guys with construction, and I thought, oh, perfect for Bob. So maybe we could start with this article, looking for a job.
Okay.
Okay, I took a look at this article so we could talk about it before you read it.
Okay.
I looked at it last night. Well, first let's look at this picture. Where do you think this man works?
In an office.
In an office, yeah. That's maybe the kind of job you might be looking for now, so you don't have to worry about the ladders, right?
Yes.
I found some words that I thought we might want to practice before we read the story.
Okay.
Let's see. One of the words is government. What do you think of when you hear the word government?
Government. I think of people that work for the state or the city.
Okay, great. Yeah. So this is, right. Government. You want to say that?
Government.
The next word is opportunities. Can you say that for me?
Opportunities.
Good. And what do you think of when you hear that word?
I think of people that have maybe like better luck next time.
Right. That's correct. Also can mean a chance for people to have a promotion or find a different job.
Okay.
And the last word I thought we would practice is temporary. You can start reading right here.
Okay. Are you looking for a job? More and more people are looking for work. Also, more people are changing jobs as job markets change. How do you find out about jobs? Besides the local paper, there are many places to check for information on possible jobs.
We're about halfway through the article now. What places have we learned that you can go to look for a job?
The paper, the local paper.
Yes.
The library.
Yes, the library. So, Bob, you did a wonderful job reading that article. I can really tell you've been working on your decoding skills. And also, you're finding the smaller words and those longer words. So, great job. Yeah, that was a hard one. Last one, the ing, right? We hate that ing, but good progress. So, I thought we could work on some comprehension and use these fun story cubes. So, you want to shake them up?
Sure.
Okay, let's see what's on the top.
Would you recommend
Yeah.
this story to a friend? Why or why not?
Would you recommend this story to a friend?
If they want to find a job.
Yeah, good. Okay. What's another one? What's another question?
What is the one new thing you learned by reading this story. I learned that you can find jobs by going to places like the library or like the city or even through friends and family.
Right, yeah. So you've already used your friends and family to look for a job. Maybe we should go to the information desk and look at their job listings.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we found out a lot of information at the information desk. There were a few words that you struggled with, Bob, so why don't you copy these down?
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Looking, information, and great possible. Okay, so those are the words you're going to practice this week, okay?
Okay.
Okay.